Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, people, the saga continues. So we see all of the live them over the weekend. We see Spice go live and she talk for her piece. We also hear Maka Diamond address Minister Marion Hall again. And also Minister Marion Hall was live last night. And even though she did that preach, she, you know what I mean, have her little moments where she mentioned little bit about the situation. Like, I personally heard her say that the thing that Spice say about her kids, that say, you know what I talk about the kid thing, right? I never want to say it out right, but she said she did not say that and she love kids, right? But people, this morning now we see Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom didn't make a video, but Jada Kingdom tweet for her, right? So this is what Jada said. The first thing she said, you just a look a gateway for come back in the industry, but for do what? Clash LOL with who? And then somebody reply to it and say, Mama Sa versus Mama Heavy, how it go? And Jada reply and say, me woulda dust that, right? And then she say, bright and rank, no BBC, Lego me name. Just make we fight and see how weak me really because Spice and the rest of them are ramp with you, right? Then she say, me at the east side effing queen and the tiger stuck, so name that. The F some rusty irrelevant old girl feel like. Must you want me give you a testimony if you share next Sunday. Just walk the other way here. Don't mention my name again out of your slack mouth, right? Then she say also, these are the closing, she say, you was one of the most luckiest artists on the land. Now you claim say you change, make you not just go one side and go on about your BBC ways, right? Then she continue and she say, must the cause and never you me did look up to, go from you so mama bitters. And then she put the icing on the top, people, and she say, make me ask you something, Lady Bitters, since church too boring and you miss controversy, come here so there. And she tag it at Minister Marion Hall. So people want to think about this, want to think about Jada respond, want to think say, even though Minister Marion Hall say what she say about Jada, it warrant Jada to talk to her in this manner or say it, or want to just all about, you know what I mean, if somebody call her name, all bets are off. If she say something about Jada, Jada have all right to say what she say. You see what I say, I want to think about this down in the comment section. Now people, me think say they don't slow down, me think say they don't go away, but it look like, you know what I mean, like me tell you no, once one person says something, somebody else says something, people are confirm, people are deny, people are go live, people are tweet. You see what I say? So we don't know what go on yet. We don't know who else. We see some other people on the outskirt when a two. You know what I mean? They name the call and them are never artists and them a talk about it. Me not really showing all of that. Me a showing the main thing. Me a showing where the artists, them a say the people the name we call, the people them we a call name. Right? So like me say, get in the comment section, let me know what you think about what Jada say. Big up on yourself, stay safe out there. I'm out.